Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about structure of a C program, part of programming in C course. The structure of a C program typically includes the following parts. Header files. These are files that contain declaration of functions, variables, and other constructs that are used in the program. They are included at the top of the program using the preprocessor directive #include. Some common header files in C are stdio.h, string.h, stdlib.h, etc. Global variables. These are variables that are declared outside of any function and can be accessed by all functions in the program. Main function. This is the starting point of the program and is where the program's execution begins. It is typically declared as int main. Function declarations. These are the prototypes of functions that are used in the program. They typically include the return type, function name, and parameter list. Function definitions. These are the actual implementation of the functions declared in the function declaration. Statements and expressions. These are the instructions and operations that are executed by the program. And here is an example of the structure of a C program. In this example, the first two lines are preprocessor directives that include the standard input-output library and the string library. The global variable, global underscore variable, is declared. The print underscore greeting function is declared with a parameter of the type char star. The main function is where the program starts. It gets a string input from the user and calls the print greeting function, passing the input string as an argument. The print greeting function is provided after main function. It prints a greeting message to the user. The last line of the main function is return 0, which is used to indicate that the main function has completed successfully. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.